You got your peaches and eggs. Is that your peaches and eggs? Is it hot? That's some good stuff there, buddy, huh? Can you say peaches? Not right now, my mouth is full. Yeah. I hope you're going to use your fork. Oh, you want to see Elmo? Is it Elmo? Can you say Elmo? Uh-oh. Did you say Elmo? That's Elmo. Elmo. Oh, jeez. It scared the daylights out of me. Well, so much for the command hooks. They didn't hold that very well. Yeah. Oh, there's my Sprite. Oh, don't tell him that. There's all the rest of the stuff. Are you gonna eat? Are you gonna eat? What'd you do? Look, we just cleared everything off of Elmo. You didn't want nothing on Elmo? That's right, that's Elmo. Can you say El? Say, it's okay. Can you say Elmo? Yeah, I know. It's hard to say it with your mouth full of food. I'm sorry. You did good, though. Is that good? You like the spinach in your eggs? Look, Daddy put spinach in your eggs with some coconut oil, some extra virgin coconut oil, and you want to just keep on dumping it. Yeah, that's a uh-oh. No. No, don't do that. Look at you. Put your arm up. You're making a mess. Stop. Oh, Lord have mercy. Now, use your fork. Use your fork. No, stop. What are you doing? It's not, you don't play with the food. You don't feed Lexi. Here, take a bite. That's what you're supposed to do with the food. Use your fork. Here. There you go. Good job. Good job. Yay, Ryan. Oh no, here we go. Okay, nah. We'll leave Big Bird. Oh, if you eat the food, it'll disappear just like you do, like that. And so you can see Big Bird, but you don't do that. Oh, brother. Somebody help me. What? You're a mess. No, don't do that. Just eat the food. Here, use your fork. Look. See? Oh, you'll be so messy. Here, hold that. There you go. Now you got a fork full. Yep, you did it all by yourself. Are you gonna eat the eggs? Those peaches good? Say, so good. That's good to my tummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy to my tummy. Say, yummy, yummy, yummy. Yeah. You okay? That's not hot. What are you doing? What you got going on in there? You need a drink? Is it stuck?